Welcome to this video. I'm gonna show you the difference between the tomatoes that I have here. I have two types of tomatoes. I'm gonna show you the difference and you will just see and you can decide for yourself which tomatoes are best for you. First, I'm gonna start with this variety over here, this tall variety. This tall variety, or this type of tomato, I'd rather say type. This type of tomato is it's an indeterminate tomato. See how tall it is. It's only 3 months and it has like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clusters of fruits. Others have more, but not more than 6. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 clusters. So the difference with this one is that the thing with this one is it's a determinate tomato, meaning that you cannot determine how long this tomato will grow or for how long it will grow. It can go up to 15 meters, 20 meters, 10 meters, according to how you want it. It's a jungle of tomatoes. You have different shapes of a indeterminate variety. For this variety specifically, fruits should be like this, well rounded, smart looking tomatoes. I don't know what's up with this variety. I believe maybe it's a different, or I don't know. I don't know what happened with the propagator. The guy who was sowing these seeds, I don't know what happened there, but they are just tomatoes and they are great. They are already ripening. Look at that. Well shaped. Indeterminate variety. Actually, this variety is best in greenhouses because of these support structures. You can tie them up and support them as they grow. Because this variety will go for 8 months of 8 months of growing and 6 months of pruning, of harvesting. It's such a great variety. That's the thing about indeterminate tomatoes. You don't know, or indeterminate crops, you don't know for how long. You can only make a guess, or maybe just ask the seed company for how long their seed will go, because they have tested it, and mostly we have 8 months indeterminate, 6 months, 7 months, 5 months indeterminate, but the best is this 8 months, meaning you will harvest for 8 months if you adhere to good agronomical practices. And another variety I will show you, which is quite different from this one, is this one. See how short it is? It's called Big Rock F1. And this one is the tall one is an F1. So this one is not a determinate. It's not an indeterminate, it's a determinate. It's so short, but it's called Big Rock because it produces big tomatoes, very big. I don't know if you can tell the size of this one, but it's so huge than the ANIF one. Just look. We had to cut off this one. It had some infestation and some deficiency, but it will come up again. So big rock F1, it's up to here. It's not, there are not so many. And this one is an F1, it's a Indeterminate, and this one are Determinates. This one you can determine for how long they will grow, up to 5 or 4 months. Then you can uproot it and maybe plant it again. Big rock F1. And here we have our Anna F1. So I need you to know that the difference between Indeterminate is that it grows for a long time and it doesn't grow as a bush. This one, the Determinate or the semi-determinate, grows like as a bush. You don't have to prune, you don't have to desucker, you don't have to defruit, you just let it grow. But for this one, you have to remove the suckers. As you can see, there are no suckers, nothing in between the stem and the leaf, all the way down, and you have to do pruning for the leaves. So if you would ask the best tomato to plant in your greenhouse, you can go for Determinate or Indeterminate according to what you want. If you want to have a whole year of tomatoes, you can go for Determinate or Indeterminate, Indeterminate variety like Anna F1, and there are many other Indeterminate varieties. Also there are many other semi or determinate varieties. Keep that in mind. And our spinach doing so well. We just harvested last week, and as you can see, they're growing, shooting once again. Stay tuned. I will come up with another video of how to take care of your determinate and indeterminate varieties of tomatoes. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Thank you.